Hi everybody, I'm back for another video, and you can see I got something from Chic Sparrow today. This is my second of the second chance sale items. The unboxing that I just did the other day is of this passport in the Mr. Darcy toffee color, but I also ordered something in the personal size. This is my one and only personal traveler's notebook. It was my first Chic Sparrow, and it was the older version that had secretarial pocket in the front, secretarial pocket in the back, and a pen loop. Now they come with, you know, the long credit card pocket, the short credit card pocket, and then, like, you know, the deep set pocket. So I actually really like having the secretarial pocket, because if you have a personal size, one of these like Midori style zipper pouches, you know, you can put cash and stuff in here. You've got credit card slots and stuff here. So there you go. So let's dive right on in. I just got home from rehearsal, and this was just delivered by the post office, and I don't know where my scissors are, so I'm going to... It means the husband has the scissors if I don't have them or know where they are. Okay. Oop. So... Ooh, okay, I gotcha. So again, just like with yesterday, it came with these wonderful the boho feather sticker, the Chic Sparrow, this adorable little penguin, and of course their card, and it has their contact information, and I will link their webpage below, and it talks a little bit about the leather and to visit their webpage for the care, because all of the different leathers take a little bit of different care. So let's get those cute little stickers out of the way, and it feels like a firmer leather, and I think I read on the, yes. Okay, I'm actually looking forward to this, so that way people can see the difference. And so it came in a beautiful bag, just like my passport did. And it's totally classic. So no stitching and the white elastic. So this, and the only thing I can see is it has a little black mark here, but this is the Mr. Darcy leather, and this is the buttered rum, and you can see that it has maybe had a little sunlight hit it, or some ultraviolet overhead lights, because the one that I had was a little bit more even colored. Now, so you can see right here how this has like a warmer, and this is kind of brighter. So this is a classic, and maybe that too, but still, it's going to age incredibly well. It's like I said with yesterday, it's a stiffer leather, but what you can do to help the seam is, I know a lot of people freak out when they see someone pressing on the spine like that. But just something as simple as that will help when you put your inserts in. And even if you wanted to go like that. And see, it will create a little bit of a crease here, but that's okay. That would happen over time anyways, the more you stuff it. So let's take the stuff out of my chocolate. I've had this chocolate, excuse me, gosh, I got this in 2015, because my very first planner videos were for One Book July of that year, and this was the notebook that I used for that. So let's pull all of this stuff out. There we go. So let's see what all we have in here. So the first thing you'll see is I have a, and this is actually personal size. So you see it fits perfectly in there. I got this from Taroko Shop on Etsy, Taroko Design, but you can get them from many people. And I have right here the Peaky Dory Designs monthly calendar, the 2017-2018 on our webpage. Oops, I haven't looked at this one in a while. We have on the webpage now for the personal size 2018-2019. So it's a 2-year calendar for the personal size, and it's a month on 2 pages. And there is some lines at the bottom for notes, and then also a space here for notes. So there's that. Let's see, what should we put in next? Let's put in this. This is my February Cocoa Daisy personal insert. And I have a passport one too, depending on, which traveler's notebook I use that day. These both have in this the same stuff, and then also in here. So there's that cute little Simon on the cover. Then the next insert, and this is the personal size insert. Cocoa Daisy has 4 sizes of inserts now. They have this one, which they call the mini, which is passport size. They have this one, which is the personal size. They now have a new one, which is a B6. And then they also have the standard Midori size. I tend to use the smaller sizes. The next insert I have in here is one that I got from designmademyday.com, and she makes wonderful inserts in German and in English, and she's got some wonderful unique designs. This one is a week on 2 pages with a tracker and some notes, and you probably couldn't see a single thing of that. I think I was out of the frame. So like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you can track some things and some notes. And the reason I have this insert is I want to start learning German, and I wanted an insert in German. So like each day I could, learn a little bit of vocabulary. I haven't started because I'm in the middle of like 24 days of working every single day. I'm looking forward to the 15th when I have just teaching, no rehearsals or concerts or both. I'm glad I was able to come home today because we had a rehearsal this morning and we have a concert tonight. So, and this is something new that Cocoa Daisy is doing, but they only have it in the personal size and the standard size. But I think B6 might be coming. What it is the undated calendar. So January, February, and it's one whole year. There's July. There's some grid at the back. So there's December. And there's always these lovely quotes. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. I like that. So there's, if I can get that in. And I do have a folder somewhere. Wow. See, the classic, wow, look at all that extra space. So I'll be able to fit, like a folder and maybe something else in there. Wow, look how beautiful that is. So I just wanted to share a quick little video of my Mr. Darcy and butter drum. So now I've got a butter drum and a toffee to go with my burgundy. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I will make sure that I link Chic Sparrow, Peaky Dory Design, and I'll even link Design Made My Day, so you can find their wonderful inserts. And also the I will link Taroko Shop Here's like one of their personal size cutting boards. This is their original design. I think they have a white one, which is a little bit thicker than this now. I've had this since I got that notebook. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.